In this video, we're going to talk about how we rotate figures. So we're going to use our patty paper. And here we see figure A. And we see point O. And we're going to rotate figure A d degrees around point O, but d is greater than 0. And then afterwards, we're going to label this rotated figure. So the key here is d is greater than 0. That means we're rotating positive degrees. We're going to pick how many degrees, but the idea is that it's positive. So you have to know positive rotations are counterclockwise. So they go the opposite direction of a clock, counterclockwise. So now let's move on to the rotating. So we're going to take our patty paper, we're going to place it over our figure and our center point A. And again, as always, you want to make sure that the figure and the point are totally under the patty paper. So we have to trace point O, then we have to trace figure A. And you just want to try to be careful to make it as accurate as possible. Okay, now it says d degrees, so we get to pick how many degrees. 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees. Our choice, but it does have to be a positive value. So the idea is it's not about it being exact, but it being positive, which means counterclockwise. So to do a rotation with patty paper, you want to take your pencil and you want to place the tip of your pencil on that point. And this way you're using the pencil tip to hold down the patty paper on the worksheet. So now we're going to rotate positive degrees around point O. So we're going to push up the patty paper, counterclockwise direction. And when you get to where you want to get to, doesn't matter how many, so this looks about 45 degrees, maybe 40 degrees, so there we go. I'm going to just stop here. I'm going to get my pencil, holding down my patty paper, make sure it doesn't move, and I'm going to use force, trace the patty paper, and because I'm using force, I should leave an indentation on my worksheet, which let's see if we can see it. Yeah, I see it. You may not be able to see it on the camera, but I see it on my paper. I think I messed up a little bit here, so I got to fix it a little bit. Again, you know, it's not after we do these motions with the patty paper when we draw on our worksheet. It may not be perfect like the original image because of human error, but the idea is right, it's the same. So here we see figure A. So if this is figure A, up here we see image of A.